Hi everyone, get ready to embark on a journey through the captivating realm of analytical instrumentation. My name is Saifful Kamaluddin. In just 1 minute, we'll give you a taste of the incredible insights these tools can offer. Well, first up, UV visible spectrometry. Imagine a world where light reveals the secrets of matter. Ultraviolet to visible spectrometers shine a beam of light through the samples, uncovering their unique absorption patterns. Whether you are studying molecules, solutions, or even biological compounds, ultraviolet to visible spectrometry unveils their hidden characteristics. Well, next, photoluminescence spectrometry. We dive into the mesmerizing glow of materials as they absorb and re-emit light. With photoluminescence, you can explore the electronic transitions and unique emission spectra of substances. It is like capturing the essence of luminescence beauty. Well, finally, X-ray diffractometry, we will step into the world of crystals and atomic structures. X-ray diffractometers unleash the power of X-rays to reveal the arrangement of atoms within solids. It is like a cosmic detective helping us to understand the mysteries of crystalline materials. Well, these are just teasers, but remember, each of these instruments offer wealth of knowledge and possibilities in their own right. Stay curious and explore the endless horizons of science and discovery.